If you've hired someone new in the last year, you've probably spent their first week answering the same questions repeatedly. How do we handle returns? What's the code for the backdoor? It's exhausting and completely avoidable. Most small business owners never write a training manual because it feels like a massive project that's always happening next month. But AI has changed that. What used to take days can now get done in one focused afternoon. Here's how to do it. First, open a Google Doc or Notes app and spend 20 to 30 minutes brain dumping everything a new employee needs to know. Don't organize it yet. Just get it all out. How you open and close, how to handle angry customers, what software you use, who to call when something breaks, your return policy. Don't worry about being polished. Vague input gives vague output. The more specific you are here, the better your manual will be. Now paste those messy notes into ChatGPT or Claude. Both have free versions. Ask the AI to organize your notes into a logical structure. Not write anything yet. Just create an outline. Ask it to group related topics and use section titles a first-day employee would understand. You'll get back a solid skeleton. Once you have your outline, write one section at a time. Don't ask the AI to write the whole manual at once. You'll get something generic. Instead, feed it specific details for each section and tell it exactly how to format it. If you're writing opening procedures, tell the AI what time employees arrive, what they turn on, and in what order, what they check before opening. Then ask it to write that as a numbered checklist with friendly but clear tone. You provide the facts, the AI formats them. Go section by section, typically 2 to 3 hours of work for 8 to 10 sections. Before finalizing, read everything yourself. AI makes mistakes, sometimes subtle ones. It might soften a rule that needs to be firm or add sentences that don't actually say anything. Make sure your policies are accurate and add personal details the AI couldn't know. Your management style, non-negotiables, how your team actually communicates. Spend time on formatting. A training manual that's one wall of text won't get read. Use headers, numbered lists for step-by-step processes, bullet points for quick reference, and bold critical information. Ask the AI to help reformat sections for easier skimming. Google Docs or Notion work fine, or use Canva templates if you want something more polished. Here's the honest limitation. AI doesn't know your business. You do. It can organize and phrase things clearly, but it cannot tell you what your policies should be. It will occasionally fill gaps with something plausible but wrong. The editing step isn't optional. If you skip it and hand a new hire a manual with slightly off processes, you've created a different problem. The AI is a writing tool, not a business consultant. A training manual doesn't need to be corporate or 50 pages long. It just needs to answer the questions your employees actually have on day one. AI makes it realistic to finally build that thing instead of planning to build it someday. Get the notes out of your head. Let the AI help shape them into something readable, then make it yours. That's it.